Hello, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to explore the world of seamless transactions? The role of a credit card payment gateway in your business? Today, we'll uncover the secrets behind credit card payment gateways and their significance across various industries. Stay tuned as we break down why they're no longer just a luxury but a necessity for your business to thrive. But before we delve into the details, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below to share your thoughts. In a digital era where every moment counts, seamless transactions have become more than a convenience, they're an absolute expectation. Whether you're in e-commerce, the CBD realm, credit repair, or any other field, your credit card processing efficiency directly influences client satisfaction. At the heart of this smooth payment experience lies the credit card payment gateway. Let's unravel its role and understand why it's an indispensable tool for modern businesses. The backbone of e-commerce, payment processing. E-commerce thrives on efficient payment processing. An e-commerce gateway ensures swift transaction processing, enhancing the shopping experience. Quicker checkouts lead to repeat business and a loyal customer base. As e-commerce evolves, having an advanced payment gateway is a necessity. High-risk industries and their unique needs. Industries like CBD and credit repair demand specialized credit card processing due to their high-risk nature. These sectors require an extra layer of security and efficiency. Whether you're facilitating CBD transactions or credit repair payments, a reliable gateway is essential. These gateways ensure smooth transactions while adhering to industry regulations. Credit repair, simplifying financial solutions. Simplifying credit repair transactions is crucial. Clients seeking financial solutions deserve a hassle-free payment process. A dedicated payment gateway streamlines credit repair merchant processing, making the client experience seamless. The Buzz Around CBD. With the booming CBD industry, seamless payment solutions are a must. The high-risk classification of CBD transactions adds complexity. A dependable CBD payment gateway simplifies this process, allowing businesses to offer secure and swift checkouts. Whether you're navigating CBD merchant processing or high-risk credit card transactions, the right gateway is your key to success. The core role of a payment gateway. A payment gateway does more than facilitate transactions. Security. It encrypts sensitive credit card data, ensuring secure transmissions between customers, merchants, and banks. Authorization. In real time, it validates credit card authenticity, providing instant transaction feedback. Compliance. For high-risk sectors, gateways ensure adherence to strict standards and regulations. In a fast-paced digital world, a business's success often hinges on efficient payment processing. From e-commerce giants to high-risk industries, a reliable credit card payment gateway is no longer a choice, it's a necessity. As we wrap up, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And when it comes to advanced payment solutions tailored to your needs, visit TouchSuite's website. With a 20-year track record and trust from over 50,000 companies worldwide, TouchSuite is your ultimate payments partner. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech-savvy and keep those transactions seamless. Remember to subscribe for more engaging content, and don't miss out on TouchSuite's cutting-edge payment solutions. Trusted by startups and global brands alike, TouchSuite is your go-to payments provider. Farewell for now, and keep innovating.